Okay, in previous video I showed you how you should turn off the auto creation of GA4 property that Google is going to create one for you if you do not opt out of it by February 28th. Which was, again, as if you remember correctly, and I'm looking over there on the monitor on that side, is that if you click over here, on this gear icon on your Google Analytics, it's going to bring you to the property screen, which is here, and then go into GA4 Setup Assistant and turn this off. Now, having said that, now let's create, a GA4 property, and it's very easy actually. So let's give it a name. So I'm going to put in GA4, and the business name is Silver Cod. That's the business over here. It's in US Eastern Time Zone, which is New York. And click on next. Just say small, this industry, business, and you can change all this actually later on, and click on create. See how easy it was to create one. And now for the website address, we are going to put in silvercard.com, stream name silvercard website, and make sure enhancement measurement is selected or turned on, because if you click on it, what you will see with enhancement measurement, it starts to track a lot more out of the box that you'd have to otherwise configure in UA analytics, right? Such as outbound clicks, form interactions, video engagement, things like that. Okay, with that, click on create stream, and your stream has been created. That's the measurement ID, and then obviously it detects that the site is on WordPress, and it tells me, hey, you can scan, and it's gonna scan and says detected WordPress and everything. But anyway, we are going to use something else. Why? We use Tag Manager. I like Tag Manager. What it does, it allows me to bypass plugins, and the lesser number of plugins you have, the better it is. So you load one tag, which is Google Tag Manager, and that in return calls all the other scripts that as needed. So I'm going to go here, and all I need is this code, okay, which is here, and I'm going to click on copy, and then I'm going to go to Tag Manager, which is here, go to Workspace, and then I'm going to create tags, click on new, and just say GA4 tag configuration, GA4 configuration, put in the ID. I'm going to trigger it in all pages, click on add, and that's it. And then I can click on submit, added GA4, click on publish. That's it. Google Analytics has been, GA4 has been created. Yeah, it's not the full analytics, we still have to create events and all those things, but at a minimum, we are going to start to track data. Now, the only way, it takes a while for this data to show up, but if we were to go into reports, hang on a second, and go into real-time reports, let's see, and click on reload this website. It takes a few seconds for this thing to get registered and show up, so I'm not gonna be totally panicking yet. The other thing we can do is we can go into the workspace again and go into preview mode, which is the debug mode, and type in our URL, which is click on tag. It's going to open up in one window, and then it's going to come up here, click on continue, and see its tags fired. This is the the old user universal analytics tag, and this is the GA4, so we have like double tag firing at this time. That's fine. There is nothing wrong with that. It fired one time, and I'm hoping we should be able to see that visit here, that visit up here. So this proves that our GA4 tag that we just created and literally took us a few minutes. It's working, it's firing. Yes, we have to do some more advanced work, such as events registration, tracking those events, and sending them back into Google Ads if we're running Google Ads. But at a minimum, we have this covered and squared away, and we are good to go. Hope this helps.